of the three, any of the three sizes, which is right here. I don't know if you can see it. So that's Lady Liberty, direct line. They did this and into that. So this would be. For a lot of people, real estate is a very trying business.
অনেক মানুষের কাছে রিয়েল এস্টেট ব্যবসা খুবই কঠিন, তবে আমি সব সময় এটি পছন্দ করেছি, ভালো করেছি। আমি তৈরিকে ভালোবাসি।
This again has never been built, and we're going to start that pretty soon. It's going to be great, and then the ballroom for the White House is.
আমি বলেছিলাম যদি ক্ষমতায় ফিরে আসি তাহলে দেশের জন্য একটি বলরুম তৈরি করতে চাই। এটি হবে জনগণের ঘর, দেশের ঘর, যেটি খুব প্রয়োজন। এমন একটি বলরুম যেখানে 600-700 জন লোক বসতে পারেন, বিশেষ করে যখন রাষ্ট্রীয় নৈশভোজ হয়।
All of the glass on the sides is bulletproof. It's 999 people it can hold. So if we figure we have 125 people in here approximately now, which I've never seen before. I've always heard it's less than 100, but it's amazing when you have too many people, you can fit them in. You know, you can always fit a few more people in. And pardon the fact that you're a little tight at your table, that's okay. That's better than lots of room for everybody because nobody shows up, right? For the White House is the thing that you people have really, really been very generous with. You've been so generous in your contributions, very substantial money, fully financed. It's fully taken care of now. And in fact, we'll have money left over, and we'll use that for something. We'll use that probably maybe for the Ark or something else that will come. But we love to fix up Washington.